Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025. Now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to overlook any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any company among 45,000 worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.52. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 35.77% since we first listed NIO as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an appealing selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $5.10 will initially signal a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 15.11% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 16.94% to positive 17.09%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 17.69%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 61.05% and positive 0.489% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $1.95 and $5.03. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, Green Day on Friday for NIO. The NIO stock price increased by 2.87% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, rising from $4.87 to $5.01. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.98%, with a low of $4.73 and a high of $5.06. The price has shown volatility during this time, reflecting a 14.12% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 51 million shares, with a total of 79 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $397.25 million. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 35.02% or $2.70 below the 52-week high, and 92.52% or $61.98 below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has been making headlines with significant developments that could impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 1st of August, the company reported its delivery results for July 2025, indicating its ongoing presence and sales capabilities in the electric vehicle market. Just days prior, the stock surged by 8% as its new sub-brand, Onvo, celebrated a successful launch of the L90 SUV, reaching an intraday high of $4.98. Recent market trends have shown NIO's stock fluctuating amid broader market challenges, such as tariff-driven volatility affecting many Chinese companies. Nevertheless, NIO continues to showcase innovation, particularly with its battery swapping technology and unique customer experience centers known as NIO houses. These elements set it apart in the competitive electric vehicle landscape dominated by giants like Tesla. Investors are closely watching NIO, and given the recent uptick in stock performance and positive delivery results, analysts anticipate a potential rally in the stock. However, the market's perception of NIO's ability to navigate external pressures will be critical for its long-term growth trajectory. The evolving dynamics in the electric vehicle sector may provide both opportunities and challenges as NIO aims to solidify its position in a market fueled by rapid technological advancement. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of July 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, Morgan Stanley rated NIO as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of June 2025, Goldman Sachs provided NIO with a neutral rating and an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April 2025, Citigroup rated NIO as a buy along with a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating and a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be some support from the levels at $4.81 and $3.99. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price increases, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 0%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 330 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 6.98%. For the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors outside their control. Nonetheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates currently project a loss of $0.003. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine your exit point. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.92. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point. Anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.85, which represents a decrease of 3.14%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in considerable risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators coupled with an overall positive trend suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for NIO stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 7.67 cents and begin trading at $4.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.